release updates to Sintel Forms every month, and generally this doesn't require our customers to do anything, in that the new features simply appear in the product ready for use. However, occasionally we release an update to Sintel Forms on AppSource, which requires customers to update the app, such as when we rebranded the app recently, changing the logo. In this case, a message will appear beside the app within the site contents. You can safely update the app and get access to latest features, and this won't affect any forms you've already configured. To update the app, simply click on the update link, which will redirect you to AppSource. On AppSource, click Get It to download the latest version. You will be prompted to trust it to proceed, and upon clicking on it, you will be redirected to the site content screen again, where you'll see the app being updated, and this should only take a minute or so. Once the app is updated, it will become available for selection again. For more information on Sintel Forms or to download some free form templates, just visit sintel.ie, and we release new features to Sintel Forms every month, so for the latest updates, just follow us on Twitter.